Hi Gauri. Yes, I noticed one issue and I noticed it twice in last 1 hour. If you already put it, then it's fine. But if not, I think you should try this. So issue basically is, see, I kept this page, the task dispatch screen, ideal for around half an hour. And after half an hour, I fetched this employee section. And on refresh, I got all the employees which are here are getting duplicated, and I'm getting two records for each employee. So this happens if I keep page ideal for half an hour to 1 hour, and then if I refresh again, then all the duplicate records are getting removed from the view. So can you try it at your end and see if it is an issue, it is reproducible for you or not? Yeah, thank you.